My friends, Mitro, Prime Minister has completed 7 years, 7th year birthday of ruling the country this week, I think. So well done. In fact, just think of how India has changed over the years. You know, when I reached my 7th birthday, we had chickenpox 1. Now on his 7th birthday, we have COVID-19. It's called the week that wasn't. Starting with this, the GB Pant Hospital in Delhi put out a circular saying Malayali nurses were not to speak in Malayalam or they would be penalized. That is like saying I can't speak Gujarati in Maharashtra or you can't speak Telugu in Tamil Nadu. It's fair actually, it's fair, it makes sense to me. In fact, only 3 languages are being allowed everywhere in India. Hindi, English and safety ke liye Mandarin. The hospital has taken action, folks. Apparently now the nurses may speak in Malayalam, but they must immediately translate what they have said in Hindi, especially all the abuse towards management. I'm fluent with Malayali galis. I worked in MTV. It was called Malayali television for a reason, and I know all the galis in Malayalam. In West Bengal, BJP leader Suvendu Adhikari and his brother, known as brother of Suvendu Adhikari, but not Adhikari brothers, have been booked for cyclone relief material theft. That's right, they stole relief stuff for the cyclone. However, experts say they are unlikely to face any severe action. So to understand, we live in a world where if you speak Malayalam in a hospital in Delhi, you will be punished. But if you as a national leader steal cyclone relief material, great. Sunday pe milega. We'll have chai. Narendra Modi has told leaders in the BJP they must learn from defeats as well. To which Rahul Gandhi may have said, I have tried, it's not easy. Sorry. I apologize. Not right. Sorry, Rahul. Okay. Kamala Harris visited Latin America to tackle migration. On her way back, she was mistaken for a Mexican and put in a refugee camp. America, what's wrong with you? That's your vice president. Huh? We would never do that to our leaders. No, of course not. In the USA, Meghan and Harry welcomed their second child. This is the first royal child to be born in penury. No, just kidding, just kidding. Actually, it's great news. In fact, America's royal family, the Kardashians, were the first to send congratulations. With a K. Today in India is Walking Day. We're celebrating it as Walking Day because petrol has reached $105 all across the country. We ask you all to celebrate today as India Walking Day. Oh, just not today. Tomorrow, day after, rest of your life. As we reach the end of the French Open with Osaka, Federer, Serena out in the first week, I hope you know what this means. Now we all have to learn to pronounce East European names. But we've got something beautiful as our video of the week. It's from the French Open. It's the best clash we have seen at Roland Garros. Take a look. You slap a leader? Third world. France is a third world country. It will never happen in the subcontinent or even China. Oh, not China, no chance. Your hand will not even go up. Of course, we have other ways. We do throw the odd chappal and all that, but only one, not 2, because 2 is really wrong. All right, lots more coming up, but first the headlines. Vague worry of virus variants. Uddhav meets PM alone. And sports world turned upside down. Before we go into our top story, ladies and gentlemen, let me just tell you, we may have started the program slightly late. I apologize. This is because of a leakage. That's right, a leakage. In fact, urinary tract infections are serious. Poor Kunal, it was embarrassing actually, the whole situation. So we had to change, and so that's why. I don't want to get into it too much. All right, let's go into our top story now. Scientists across the world have expressed concern over COVID-19 developing new variants and sprouting up globally. They told me personally, that's why I'm telling you this. First there was the UK variant, then the South Africa variant, then Brazil variant, then US variant, then Nigeria variant, and even the India variant. We came last. Joining us is renowned virologist or virologist Dr. V. Jabwala. Hold a minute, nobody should be named that. V. Jabwala, he has done tremendous research in virology and we have his biodata which would take 40 minutes to read, so we'll go straight to him. Dr. V. Jabwala.
Do I call you Mr. C. Brocha?
Well, no.
Then why are you calling me V. Jabwala? Call me by my full name.
Which would be?
Viral Jabwala. Viral.
Ah, viral, as in viral jab wala. I mean, you could not be more seriously subtle than that. I mean, really. Thank you so much. Okay, there's a lot of talk about these mutations of the COVID 19 variants. We'd love to know your theory.
There is nothing new. Virus I constantly change through mutation.
Virus I, like Cyrus I. All right, but why does that occur?
Can be for multiple reasons. You see, virus I, or viruses in your language, are like politicians. The only difference is that viruses constantly change through mutation and politicians constantly change through defection.
Wow, that's an interesting comparison, sir. I salute you.
Yes, and like viruses, who sometimes become more powerful through mutation and sometimes weaken through mutations, politicians sometimes become more powerful through defection and sometimes weaken through defection.
That's defection, not defection. So you're saying a politician is like a virus?
No, I am saying a politician is a virus.
Okay. Well, let's go back to COVID 19 variants then, sir. India, I believe, was very upset about one variant being called the India variant.
Yes, the WHO has renamed B16171 and B16172 variants of the COVID 19, earlier known as the Indian variant, and called them Kappa and Delta.
Wow, Kappa and Delta, that would have made us feel better, I suppose.
WHO thought it would make us feel better, but it made us even more angrier.
I don't think more angrier is correct. I'll check. I think it's more angry or it's angrier. But leave it, Mr. Jabwala. Why?
If it is an Indian variant, it should at least have an Indian name. What is Kappa and Delta? Name it Kapoor and Desai.
That sounds like a law firm in Delhi. I am not comfortable with this Kapoor and Desai, sir, between you and me.
In that case, do what we usually do.
Which would be what?
Name everything after the Prime Minister.
How dare you? But it's a good idea. It's a good idea. It's a great idea. Let's talk about the COVID 19 variants sprouting up globally.
Yes. We have to be very careful. Not only globally, but there could be many more COVID variants sprouting locally.
Oh, locally, you mean in India?
Yes, our very own state variants.
Our own state variants. Any early warnings that you could tell us?
Yes, there is a variant in Maharashtra that is fighting a very big strain. It is a very unusual variant.
Oh, this is scary. I live in Maharashtra. Is it new?
No. It has been here for about 1.5 years now.
What is its peculiarity?
The peculiarity is this. 3 different strains unrelated to each other have come together to fight a bigger strain and has somehow managed to survive.
3 that come together to fight a bigger strain. What is it called?
It can be called the SSC NCP variant or just the MVA variant.
Okay, do I have to explain the gag to people? No, right? Okay, I've heard of that.
There is also this new other Bengal variant.
I see.
It is a native variant. See, the more powerful Delhi variant has been trying to mutate this Bengal variant. But this small, short, very angry Bengal variant has managed to fight back quite well.
Wow, you've done a lot of cardio for this little performance that you're giving us. Does it have a name?
They are called the DIDI variant.
Ah, Didi, I had no idea there were so many Indian variants named after famous people.
Forget variant. In Punjab, they have a whole new virus.
I'm dying to know. Please tell us.
Yes, this virus has mutated several times and will keep mutating and mutating and mutating. And unlike the SARS virus, which affects the lungs, this virus severely damages the ears.
What is this named?
It's called the NSS virus.
NSS virus.
Navjot Singh Sidhu virus.
Ah, Navjot Singh Sidhu virus. I've heard of that. Yes.
Have you heard of the other variant in Delhi?
Which would be?
It is a variant that is slowly making the main virus weaker and weaker.
But that would be good news, no?
See, it is a very old 150-year-old virus. But this young variant, which is only 50 years old, has been slowly making the old virus weaker and weaker and weaker and weaker.
Okay, I think I know where this is going.
Do you want to know what this variant is called?
Don't tell me this variant is called the Rahul Gandhi variant.
No, not at all. This variant actually has a Greek name.
Oh, a Greek name. What is this Greek name? Please tell us.
It's called the beta variant. Beta, alpha, beta, 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 beta.
Beta. As in Greek, beta. Okay, I got, don't explore, keep it. Why do you explain everything? You explain too much. The virus would have left by then. Stop explaining. All right, we'll move on from there, folks. That was a nonsense interview. This guy doesn't exist. I don't know who he is, but this guy does. Because Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray met PM Narendra Modi this week and discussed issues like, shall we come back together and get rid of the other two? No, no. Why? Never in Indian politics would anyone stoop so low. No, I will not accept this kind of rubbish philosophy. What issues were discussed, we really don't know. So let's get fiery and outspoken alleged spokesperson of the Shiv Sena, Sanjay Riot. His name is Riot. Different person. And ask him a few questions. Sanjay ji.
क्या है? तुम अपने आप को कौन समझते हो? क्या समझते हो? तुम कौन होते हो प्रश्न पूछने वाले? अरे कौन है? हाँ मानुस कौन है?
I wouldn't put his picture on a Valentine's Day card, that's for sure. It's me, Cyrus Brocha from the week that wasn't. It's an award-winning comedy show.
कॉमेडी शो मतलब तुम कॉमेडियन के भेष में पत्रकारिता करते हो
Okay, yeah, you could say that.
जैसे हम पत्रकारिता के भेष में कॉमेडी करते हैं
If it's going to be that pleasant, sir, it's very good if you say that yourself.
चलो चलो पूछो हमारे पास बहुत ही कम वेळ हाँ बहुत कम समय है पूछो
Haji. Uddhav Thackeray met PM Modi. Now, how was the meeting? Was it cordial? Was there respect? What happened between them?
जी हाँ उनसे बहुत ही सम्मानपूर्वक तरीके से व्यवहार किया गया
Meaning?
He was treated with respect. He was kept waiting only for 10 minutes.
He was kept waiting only for 10 minutes.
Ajit Pawar was made to wait for 25 minutes and Ashok Chauhan had to wait for 45 minutes.
और आदित्य का क्या हाल है? Okay, moving on. So Uddhav Thackeray met Prime Minister Modi along with Ajit Pawar and Ashok Chavan. And could you tell us what happened at the meeting? We want to know the inside story.
तुमको क्यों चिंता है? तुम्हारा क्या संबंध है? तुम कौन हो पूछने वाले? हो कौन?
It's a straightforward question. We just want to know what happened.
कुछ नहीं हुआ. कुछ नथिंग. कुछ नहीं हुआ.
But
जब दो बड़े लोग बात करते हैं तब छोटे लोगों को बीच में टांग नहीं अड़ाना चाहिए. अड़ाना कि अड़ानी? काय रे? अड़ाना चाहिए.
by chote log, you mean me?
ना इतना छोटा नहीं. I mean कांग्रेस.
It's okay. It's all right. Doesn't matter. You're not known to be so loving. Speaking of which, I believe after that, Uddhav met Modi ji all alone.
हो सकता है.
Not हो सकता है. It's in the papers. I have proof.
तो होगा.
मतलब
तुमको क्या करने का है?
what happened in the meeting? That's all I want to know.
कुछ नहीं. ऐसे चाय पे चर्चा किया बस.
But you're not telling me the whole truth, sir. ये सब evasive बात है.
तो क्या हुआ? कहाँ लिखा है कि मैं आपको संपूर्ण सच्चाई बताऊं? कल
ठीक है. Even so, but what was discussed? Why you not just tell us?
पीएम के मीटिंग में क्या होता है?
क्या होता है?
उन्होंने पूछा होगा कि मोदी जी को आम पसंद है कि नहीं. यही पूछा होगा.
अरे यार देखा, what you said was right. Between the comedian becoming the journalist and the journalist becoming the comedian, there's थोड़ा confusion है. We need to do operation on this immediately. Now get serious, sir. Please give me one straight answer.
देखो बहुत महत्वपूर्ण बातें डिस्कस हुई है. जैसे महाराष्ट्र में आरक्षण रिजर्वेशन.
Reservation. Is this the first time that reservation has been discussed with the PM?
वैसा नहीं है. पहले भी रिजर्वेशन डिस्कस हुआ है.
क्या बात है? कब?
2019 में.
2019 में है?
जब उद्धव ने
हाँ?
उद्धव जी ने मोदी जी से पूछा था कि चीफ मिनिस्टर का सीट का रिजर्वेशन किसके लिए किया है.
Okay, what else was discussed?
कोविड और वैक्सीन के बारे में बहुत भावपूर्ण तरीके से बात हुई है.
भावपूर्ण तरीके से meaning emotional discussion.
नहीं भावपूर्ण तरीके से मतलब ये डिस्कस हुआ कि वैक्सीन का भाव क्या होगा.
Again, journalist, comedian, journalist, confusion. That's all very well. I want to know what happened when Uddhav and Modi met alone. What did they discuss when they were... I've asked you this 15 times, by the way. What did they discuss when they were by themselves?
They discussed very important and secret conversation.
Hanji, thank you. Now the real inside information is coming out. Sirji, what secret did they discuss?
GST.
Excuse me, GST.
Yes, GST.
When they were all by themselves, the PM and the CM discussed GST, Goods and Services Tax.
Not GST, Goods and Services Tax. GST, God Save Thakres.
Everyone.
चला झाला काय?
We'll take the break in the meantime. Welcome back. By the way, a new variant T478K is very dangerous and apparently mostly found in Mexico. So Donald Trump was right. He was thinking of the future. He was thinking ahead to protect his people. Right. Thieves broke into Arundel Castle last weekend and stole highly important artifacts, such as the rosary belonging to Mary, Queen of Scots. Now, apparently, she lost the rosary when they chopped off her head. Amongst the worst pieces of acting you'll see on television, I acted the rosary falling. I apologize to everyone. Please, I have Christian blood also, so I'm allowed a little bit of liberties. We don't have any other gags. We're going to do this for 5 minutes. All right. Here are 5 ways to reassess your finances during lockdown. All right? Folks, positive news. 5 ways to reassess your finances during lockdown. Number 1. Sorry, we can't think of any. Sometimes, we just have positive thoughts in our heart and then it goes nowhere. Folks, in Mumbai, 50% of staff can attend office. Now, what if your office consists of just one person, you? How can half of you attend office? I put my leg in and then I put my other leg in and then I put my back like that and I stayed for 2 hours and then I left. Okay, folks, sports world, we have the Euro Cup going on, but we also have racism, which is rampant now across the world ever since the one knee stand started back in the USA. People are looking at it in a very serious sort of light, and you can really destroy your career with some old tweets from the past. Ollie Robinson, who had a fabulous debut for England, 7 wickets and 42 runs, unfortunately has been suspended from the English cricket team because of tweets he made in 2012, 2013, which were racist and, a little disgusting. So to discuss this issue as well as the Harbhajan Singh issue, where he tweeted a picture of Brindanwale and sort of, wasn't quite sure what was going on there and then got heat from both sides. And of course, we've got Olympics. Will it happen? Will it not? So to discuss all 3 topics, we've got famous wicket-keeping batsman Shah Rukh Engineer and opening batsman from Delhi and India and now commentator Prakash Chopra. Great to have them both there. We'll start with Shah Rukh. Shah Rukh, how are you doing?
Is this live? Please get my good side.
Sir, you are front on. There's no side.
Just like my forward defense.
Exactly. Prakash sir, ye baal, sir, ye.
Cyrus, don't go there. Don't be a hairist.
Right. Anyway, just wanted to say.
It's a great honor. I grew up watching you, sir. You, sir.
Well, that would be fantastic considering the show is 22 minutes. So you grew up very fast, if that's what you're saying.
Yes, please ask your questions. You see, I'm late for lunch.
But this is not the time for lunch.
Somewhere in the world it is time for lunch and I'm late for it.
Sir, just a humble suggestion. Shah Rukh sir, I think you should skip lunch, sir. आपको कम से कम 2, नहीं 3, नहीं 4, 5 बार lunch skip करना चाहिए, sir.
6, 7, 8 bhi theek hai. I think we can put away a few. Guys, serious sports issue. I mean, this racism rampant thing in the background. Ollie Robinson, should he have been banned? Keep in mind he was a youngster.
Please, yaar. Please get your facts right. He is not banned, huh?
Of course he's banned. He's 100% banned.
Yes, he is. God, I'm very hungry, feeling a bit peckish.
Not banned, Cyrus, not banned, suspended.
Banned, suspended. Prakash ji is the same thing.
No. If banned is Amitabh Bachchan, suspended is Vivek Agnihotri.
Excuse me, everybody. Just hold it. Have you all eaten breakfast? Nashta ki duke?
Yes, we've all eaten breakfast. Haven't you eaten breakfast?
I cannot remember, but Ollie Robinson is a lovely chappie.
Hold that for a second. Did you say that? A lovely chap. You call Ollie a lovely chap who makes racist tweets?
सर सर वो सिर्फ 16 या 17 साल का था उस समय, 16-17 आई थिंक.
Yes, and who doesn't make racist tweets when you're 16 or 17? I surely did.
रियली सर सर आप जब 16 साल के थे दैट वाज 1953 एंड ट्विटर स्टार्टेड 60 years later, सो प्लीज.
Yes, of course it was all there, but I made loads of racist comments. Cyrus, okay, omelette balse ke? Can I get some omelette? Bara, you don't tell me to omelette.
हेलो प्लीज एक्सप्लेन शाहरुख भाई, व्हाट रेसिस्ट स्टफ डिड यू डू इन 1953? बताइए जरा हमको भी.
When you think about it, I may have called non-Parsis Karo, black, that kind of thing. May have also bullied a few vegetarians for not eating eggs and ham, pork. Reminds me, what happened to my eggs? Idunusu khabar chhe.
Oh, come on, will you stop that? Pay attention, please, Shahrukh. Shahrukh, you were saying, and I can't believe you said that, but you're saying we are all racist.
100% confirmed. All of us in some way are racist. Now, can I please get some food? Bonu cheke? Bonu.
Not for you. Nothing for you. Please, Shahrukh, please. For the racist comments of 1953, no eggs for you. Only bhaji. आप सिर्फ सब्जी खाओ.
Su bullets. Hey, Hemnakar, don't do this. This is food prejudice, and it's also racism.
Oh, one sec, let's get this right. So I take it Ollie deserves another chance according to both of you.
Yes, please.
Whatever. But Cyrus, isn't your mother's name also Ollie? Hey, Ollie! Ollie, I'm very hungry. Bhook lage chhe. Are bonu cheke? I need food around. Hey, Ollie!
Stop that, please, for a second. Speaking of bhaji, let's go to Bhaji. Harbhajan Singh. Well, he posted that picture of Brindranwale, and of course, he got all that flack immediately. Had to apologize.
You see, excuse me, but my blood sugar is dropping.
Cyrus, I'll take that question. It was a forward. उसको पता भी नहीं था. He didn't really know.
What?
अरे, it's like how I have appeared on your show, na?
Thank God.
I got a forward, an invite. It was forwarded. So I just said yes without reading. Happens to all of us, यार. सबके साथ होता है.
Forget that, Harbhajan. Just give him a dusra chance. Samjho ke dusra, you understood English.
I don't want to be very critical about all this, but I felt that the action you showed, Shahrukh ji, was a little odd there. Because you were like screwing a light bulb, and that's not exactly the dusra. That's some vulgar gesture, which I don't think I should encourage people to do on television. So don't do that. Sorry about that. Let's move on. Tokyo Olympics.
In my opinion, it should not happen.
Yes, I agree with this man with the hair. It's very, very risky. Although I love teriyaki. Ole, su chale, smara ida kya chhe? 12 egg omelette cheke.
Shahrukh, for the last time, my mother is not here. I'm in a studio in Parel. She's far away at home. She can't hear you and she cannot serve you food.
Anyway, stop calling Ollie Robinson racist. He's not racist.
Please explain.
Cyrus, they were anti-Muslim tweets. He's communalist.
Yeah, everybody deserves a second chance. Even I deserve a second chance at breakfast, but your mother is ignoring me.
Second chance to Ollie Robinson. Second chance to Harbhajan Singh. And third chance to?
Third chance to?
Sushil Kumar. Like that.
That's right. It's his first murder, huh?
Yes, to all first-time offenders.
Test cricket has 2 innings.
I am also giving someone else a second chance.
Who?
Zomato.
Sorry, once again Dusra there, because there's no Zomato in London.
But I am ordering dhansag from Bombay.
Shahrukh sir, I think you should give second chance to your second button also.
Oh, okay. Chalo, let's take it out.
No, please. Cyrus, I don't want to see this.
This is why I say the pitch has to have a roller. Agar pitch pe roller nahi dala, to this is what happens. You don't do this. Roll the pitch. Roll it. Vaibhav is ready. Prompter is not on. Now it's just come on.
Am I looking very white और पिंक दिसतोय.
चला झाला काय
This is actually what Gopal said.
माझा हात दुखला.
Cyrus, 3 times you can't make me go on doing this, okay?
ट्विटर को सॉरी ट्विटर स्टार्टेड हाँ
I'll do it again.
है बड़ा अपना विजयकर साहिब है.